Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I will be reviewing the Apres Gel-Ex nail system. This is the Jenny Secret kit that I received off of Nail Company. They are a wholesale company that's located in Pensacola, Florida, so check them out. I'll leave the link below, but just look at the packaging. So this is the Jenny Secret. If you don't know who she is Cardi B's nail tech. So her name is Jenny Bowie, and she's known as the Queen of Bling in New York. So I saw this kit and I was like, well, if I'm going to try the Apres Gel-Ex, I'm going to get that really nice kit because I just love that carrying case. As you can see, everything is packaged very nicely. It does come with the 15 milliliter bonder, the non-acidic gel primer. You get your soak off extend gel. You also get the non-wipe top gel coat and your LED light plus a 100/180 grit emery board. Now, these little lights are adorable. They look like a little mouse on your computer. However, in my experience with using them, I don't feel like you get the full cure. So I just use them like as a flash cure, and then I just use my LED lamp. Now, as far as the tips are concerned, I did get the coffin medium. I thought that they were missing some, but I checked with Nail Company and they said, no, that is how they're packaged. So it didn't come with the 00, it just came with the 0. I like how it has like the little company mark on the nail and then you have the size. It's really cute the way they do that. I will say that these gel tips did feel definitely more sturdier than some gel tips that I've used in the past. I love how that kit comes with all that room. I actually plan on using it for travel. And again, here is the little LED lamp that I use for flash curing. It's just my opinion. It may work for some people, but for me, I don't use it for the full cure. So my nails are already prepped. I sized them, and then we're just going to move on with the application process. So here are the directions. Again, I already had my nails prepped, my cuticles all taken care of. And now we're just going to start with the pH bonder. Now these nails do not come pre-etched, so what I did was take my EFile and just take care of that part. And I'm going to let this video run so you guys can see the application process. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will leave the link to Nail Company Wholesale in the description box, and I will see you guys soon.